Hi guys, it's Jean and welcome to Let Us Bake. Rachel is still sleeping and we're going to surprise her with the blueberry pancakes. Start by taking a large bowl and to it we're going to add 1 cup of all-purpose flour. To that you're going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Take your whisk and give it a stir. Now let's add 2 teaspoons of baking soda and now add a half a teaspoon of salt. And give that a stir. Did you guys just hear something? Now to your bowl, add 1 cup of milk and 1 whole egg. Next to our batter, we're going to add 1 cup of vanilla Greek yogurt. Now we're going to add 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Give that a stir. Now it's really important that we don't over stir. Pancake batter is meant to be lumpy. I'm making my pancakes today on a griddle and I've gone ahead and heated it to medium-high heat. Kids, if you don't have a griddle, a frying pan is just right. And as always, check in with a grown-up before using the oven or stove. Now brush the surface of your pan with melted butter. I like using a 1/4 cup for my pancakes. You're just gonna scoop the batter up and plunk it right down there on the griddle. After you've poured the pancake, I'm gonna dot each one with 4 or 5 blueberries. Rach sure is sleeping a long time. She must be having a really, really good dream. Now the rule with pancakes is as soon as you see the bubbles on top, it's time to flip them over. Gently take your spatula underneath and then give it a nice flip. And then you want to let them cook for 4 to 5 minutes on the other side, at least until they're nice and golden brown. And the winner for the Best Sister Award goes to Jean Parker. Thank you very much, everyone. This is so unexpected. Actually, it's not. You know, like being the best sister of the year is like my favorite thing to do. Making blueberry pancakes for Rachel while she's sleeping. The pancakes are all done. Rachel's still sleeping. Hello? Sleepyhead. You sure look good. I think it would be a good idea just to have a little bite. Just 1 little bite. She is gonna be so happy. Thanks for joining us on Let Us Bake. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. It only seems right that I eat the top one.
What smells so good, Jean? Today, we're gonna play What's in the Box? It's a dessert kebab. It's got cotton candy and licorice and Hostess cupcakes, 2 of them, and then giant marshmallows. She's not gonna get them all. Not all of them.
This is some kind of sculpture, I think. What is it, a pretzel? That's licorice. That's a marshmallow. Marshmallow. It's all on a stick. This is some kind of kebab. It's a kebab.